Are you a student looking for ways to improve your academic performance? If so, you might want to consider using AI tools. These innovative technologies can facilitate your learning journey in a myriad of ways, from enhancing your writing skills to solving complex mathematical problems. AI tools can also foster creativity, encourage collaborative work, and even assist in navigating languages other than your own. The possibilities are endless. Ready to start? Let's dive into our list. First up, we have Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid, both excellent tools for improving your writing skills. Grammarly, a widely recognized name in writing assistance, is not just a grammar checker. It's an intelligent tool that identifies grammatical errors and explains the context behind them. It's like having a personal English teacher who not only corrects your mistakes but also helps you understand them so you can avoid repeating them in the future. This makes Grammarly a great tool for students looking to strengthen their writing skills and grasp on language nuances. Moving on, we have Pro Writing Aid, another comprehensive writing assistant. It shares some similarities with Grammarly, like grammar checking and plagiarism detection, but doesn't stop there. Pro Writing Aid digs deeper into your writing by providing feedback on sentence structure, word choice, and readability. What sets Pro Writing Aid apart is its ability to suggest alternative phrasings and sentence structures. This feature can be particularly beneficial for students aiming to enhance their writing style and diversify their sentence construction. Both Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid offer unique ways to improve your writing. Whether it's Grammarly's context-specific grammar explanations or Pro Writing Aid's structured feedback on sentence construction and phrasing, these tools provide comprehensive assistance that can help students elevate their writing. With these tools, you can take your writing to the next level. Next on the list, we have Quillbot and WordTune, two AI-powered tools that can help you improve your vocabulary and writing style. Quillbot is a master at paraphrasing. Give it a sentence or a paragraph, and it will present you with multiple paraphrased versions, all while preserving the original meaning. This can be incredibly beneficial in diversifying your vocabulary and enhancing your writing style. On the other hand, WordTune focuses on refining your writing style and improving readability. It's a vigilant editor, always on the lookout for common writing errors, such as passive voice and cliches. It will help you to avoid these pitfalls and ensure your writing is clear and engaging. So, whether you're looking to expand your vocabulary with Quillbot or elevate your writing style with WordTune, these tools offer valuable support for any student. These tools can help you express your thoughts more clearly and effectively. Moving on, we have Google Docs and Microsoft Word, two popular word processing tools that offer a variety of AI-powered features. Google Docs, a favorite among many, stands out for its real-time collaboration feature. Imagine working on a group project where everyone can contribute simultaneously, no matter where they are in the world. This powerful feature saves time and fosters a seamless exchange of ideas, making it a valuable tool for students. Now, let's talk about Microsoft Word. While it also provides a multitude of AI-powered features, its unique feature is its ability to translate text into other languages. This is especially useful for students working on international projects or those studying a foreign language. Just type in your text, select the language you want it translated to, and voila, your text is ready in a different language. These tools can help you collaborate with others and translate text into other languages. Next up, we have ChatGPT and Bard, two powerful AI language models that can be used for a variety of tasks. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a language model that's versatile and creative. It can generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and more. It's like having a personal digital poet or playwright at your fingertips, ready to help you with any creative writing assignment. On the other hand, Bard, another impressive AI language model, has a unique feature of tapping into the vast information of the real world via Google search. This means that Bard can help you write more informative and engaging essays, research papers, and stories by providing real-time, relevant information, making your writing process smoother and more efficient. These tools can help you generate different creative text formats and write more informative and engaging essays. Last but not least, we have Wolfram Alpha and TED, two resources that can help you answer a wide range of questions and gain new knowledge. Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine that can generate step-by-step solutions to mathematical problems, a lifesaver for those struggling with math homework. But it doesn't stop there. It can answer a wide range of questions, from scientific to historical. Whether you're tackling a physics equation or a history paper, Wolfram Alpha is your go-to. On the other hand, TED is a platform that houses thousands of insightful talks from experts in various fields. Need to understand quantum physics? There's a TED Talk for that. Want to dive into the complexities of human psychology? TED's got you covered. These talks are not only informative but also inspiring, sparking curiosity and fostering a love for learning. With these tools, you can find answers to your questions and learn new things every day. So, there you have it, the top 10 AI tools for students. From improving your writing with Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid to enhancing your style and vocabulary with Quillbot and WordTune, these tools can make a significant impact on your academic work. If collaboration and translation are what you need, Google Docs and Microsoft Word have got you covered. For the creative minds out there, ChatGPT and Bard are game changers, offering a myriad of text formats and access to real-world information. Lastly, for those tricky math problems or historical queries, Wolfram Alpha is your go-to. And for inspiration and learning, there's always TED. Each tool has unique offerings that cater to different needs, and together they can be an immense help in your academic journey. Remember, technology is here to help us, not to replace us. Use these tools wisely and see how they can help you improve your academic performance. Thank you for watching.